Hello, this video introduces my recommendation for an online resource that can help you with your writing. Now, here's the situation. Suppose you have come across an unfamiliar word in your research and you're not sure how to use it or even whether it's the correct word. How can you find out how to use it or whether it should be used? One way is to check it using the BAWE corpus. This BAWE stands for British Academic Written English Corpus. Corpus just means a body. In this case, it's a body of texts. It's actually a collection of academic papers. So you can check how the word you want to know about is used in a collection of academic papers, basically. So let's have a look. First of all, you go to the website, which is up here, there. So put that into your search engine or browser. Then scroll down to British Academic Written English Corpus and open it. And you'll come to this page. We want concordance. There are lots of other tools there you can have a look at if you're interested in this sort of thing, but I'm going to use concordance. And then we type in the word here. So a word, for example, that comes up a lot in academic work. Research, and then click search, and what it does, it gives you a list of how research is used in various papers, so you can have a look at how to use the word. Okay, you can also see how often it's used in this collection of papers, so that can be useful information. Okay, I'll give you another example. This was by a student from last year. He wanted to know if this word was the correct one. I suggested it wasn't when I read his essay, and he wanted to know how could he find out. So type it in, have a look what comes up, and you can see here that primordial tends to go with the words germ cells, right? There's a clear collocation here. Okay, he wasn't writing anything about germ cell, completely different topic. So we can deduce this probably wasn't the word that he was looking for. Okay, I'm going to give one more example. This may be of interest to Chinese students in particular. I see this all the time. You're not limited to one word, by the way. You can write in phrases and expressions. So here's something I see all the time in my students writing work in China. As we all know, click on search. Oh, nothing found. Probably best to avoid that one then. It's not used in academic writing. And there are good reasons for that. You might want to think about why. Anyway, hope you found that video useful and hope the tool is helpful.